The space is really tight because his brother stays with us, so we all stay in one room.
We went from a homeless shelter to the projects.
The ceiling is kind of caving in a little bit.
You never knew day by day if it was going to be gunshots. He didn't know if it was going to be, somebody fighting.
We are out here as female leaders in York County supporting the Women's Build Week. We're partnering with Habitat for Humanity to create affordable housing for deserving individuals.
Well, what you see in the background are a number of business women owners and business women that have come out for the National Women Build Week for Habitat for Humanity.
Helping people get into their first house is so exciting, and they're so appreciative, and who else will let me play with hammers and ladders?
It's all women building these 2 homes for these wonderful women that need homes for them and their children.
I've never met so many people that actually care.
Then it's been a great experience. We've been putting in sweat equity hours by helping the construction site, by helping them build homes.
Affordable housing is critically important for students who are part of families. Students have to have basic needs met before our teachers can introduce knowledge to them in the classroom. And we work really hard with community partners such as Habitat for Humanity and other community partners to ensure that every child has a place to live, so that when they come to us, it's easy to teach and learn.
It's not just, black. It's not just white. It's not just, single people. It's not just, parents. It's anybody. If you want your own, do it. Go for it. Take that step.